Tech fam! Welcome back to Lara Tech. Today we are diving into the incredible world of the Asus ProArt tablet laptop. If you are a creative professional or just someone who loves to create, this device might be the perfect tool for you. With its unique design and powerful features, the ProArt tablet laptop is changing the way we think about creative work on the go. Let's explore what makes this laptop so special. Design and build quality. First, let's talk about the design. The Asus ProArt tablet laptop is sleek and modern, making it not just a powerful machine but also a stylish one. The body is made from high-quality materials, giving it a premium feel. It is lightweight, which means you can easily carry it anywhere. Whether you are heading to a coffee shop or a meeting, this laptop won't weigh you down. The two-in-one design allows you to use it as a traditional laptop or a tablet, providing versatility for all your creative tasks. Stunning display. Now, let's discuss the display. The ProArt tablet laptop features a stunning 4000 display. This means you will see every detail in your work. The colors are vibrant. This is crucial for any artist or designer who wants their work to look its best. Performance that delivers. When it comes to performance, the Asus ProArt tablet laptop does not disappoint. It is powered by the latest Intel processors, which means you can run multiple applications smoothly without any lag. Versatile stylus support. One of the standout features of this laptop is its support for the Asus stylus. This stylus is not just any ordinary pen. It offers 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, giving you a true pen-on-paper experience. Whether you are sketching, taking notes, or editing photos, the precision of this stylus makes your work feel natural and effortless. You can draw and write with confidence, knowing that every line and stroke will be captured accurately. Battery life and portability. Battery life is another important aspect to consider. The Asus ProArt tablet laptop is equipped with a powerful battery that can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. This means you can work all day without worrying about finding a power outlet. Whether you are on a long flight or working at a cafe, you can count on this laptop to keep up with you. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you can quickly boost your battery when needed. Is it right for you? So, is the Asus ProArt tablet laptop the right choice for you? If you are a creative professional looking for a powerful, versatile, and stylish device, the answer is likely yes. With its stunning display, impressive performance, and great battery life, it checks all the boxes. Whether you are an artist, designer, or content creator, this laptop can help you bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching our video on the Asus ProArt tablet laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. See you next time.